Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by fitting a thin elastic glove to your hand so it won't slip. This provides a stable base. Once done, position a 5 to 2 cm conductive fabric patch over the side of your palm where it contacts the screen. Make sure the patch has continuity to the inside of the glove. You'll sew or glue conductive thread from patch to the wrist. Do this now so the electrical path is established before testing with your device. Now you create the grounding path. Sew conductive thread from the palm patch to the wrist area with 3 to 5 tight stitches. This maintains low resistance. Next, install a small snap or metal clip at the wrist to connect to a ground source or another finger contact. Make sure to insulate any exposed stitching with fabric glue to prevent shorts. This step ensures the screen sees your touch only at the intended fingertip, enabling reliable palm rejection when you test. Finally, test the glove on your touchscreen while resting your palm. If the palm still registers, move or reduce the patch area and retest. Make small trims or add thin foam padding at edges to prevent stray contact. If the touchscreen never recognizes the fingertip, check continuity from patch to wrist with a multimeter and resew any broken stitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if the multimeter shows high resistance, replace the conductor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.